Hello students, welcome in our English composition lecture. Today we are going to learn about writing a notice. We live in a fast-paced world. Things are constantly happening, changing and improving. New medicines are being discovered. Old bridges are being repaired. Technology is finding new ways to meet our needs. It is important to keep up with all the changes. Reading the newspaper or surfing the internet can help us stay updated. Checking the bulletin boards in schools and offices can also give us information. The type of information found on bulletin board is known as a notice. A notice is written or printed announcement. It is a formal way of informing people about a past or future event. It is usually quite short to point. We can write a notice about an upcoming competition or a school trip. We can also write a notice about an exhibition or a lost and found items. Any information that has to reach a lot of people can be conveyed with a notice. So let's take a closer look at how a notice is written. A notice is a formal document and has a strict format. Let's imagine that we are writing a notice to tell students of grade 7 about a picnic. Let's look at each aspect of notice one by one. The heading is the name of the institution issuing the notice. For example, this should be written in the center of the first line. Here students, you can see the example of institute. First they written Caramel School, Shroorpur notice. Then in the right hand side there is a month, date and year, then subject and then your content. In our notice we would write the name of the school where the students study, ABC Public School. The center of the next line must have the word notice. This should come under the name of institution. Here you can see that in the bold letter they show that word notice. It is very important that we write the word notice in capital letters. Then we write the date on which the notice is being written. You can see this is written on the left hand side of the next line. The title of the notice is written in the center of the next line. Here they given the public school, Nehru, notice, Green Drive, then date, and here they given the notice about this. This is the inform all the students that a school is organizing a green drive to create awareness among the students and the general public about the need to conserve our forest and wildlife as a part of World Wildlife Day celebration on 3rd March. All the students are requested to participate and make difference to the world. For more information, please contact the undersigned Suraj He is the student coordinator, means who has issued that notice. Their name and designation should be written on that notice. Our title should be short, crisp, and should get the point across. The title of our notice could be School Picnic Grade 7. We must now write a short paragraph explaining our notice. This paragraph is called a brief. Our brief can provide information about the trip and the last day to register. Here students, you can see one more example about the notice writing. Modern School, Barkhamba Road, New Delhi. Attention music lovers, means with that subject we can easily understand that this notice is for the music lovers. So after the brief we must answer when, where and who. Means the when includes the date and the time of picnic. The where includes the location of the picnic. The who describes who can come for the picnic in our notice. It is only for the 7th grade students. These questions are answered using bullet points. We end the notice by signing the name and designation of the issuing authority. The issuing authority is the person writing the notice in this example. It is us. Our designation could be the principal of the school ABC. For example, here they given, this is written the last 2 lines of the notice on the left hand side, Anurag, head boy. So let's go over what we have learned about the notice writing. A written or printed announcement is known as notice. It gives information to a large number of people. We use informal language while writing a notice. Our notice has fixed format which must be followed at all times. So, I hope students you understood about all the points of notice writing.